Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how to save pictures on Snapchat without detection. First step, as usual, open Snapchat on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're in Snapchat, press the message icon at the bottom part of your screen, and here you can choose what message or from what message you want to save a picture. So for example, here I open the conversation and here's the picture that I want to save. Before saving the picture, what you have to do first is turn on the airplane mode of your phone. Once airplane mode is turned on, you can go back to Snapchat, long press the picture and press save to camera roll. Once you've saved the picture to your camera roll, what you have to do is delete your application or the Snapchat, and once deleted, you can go to App Store and then search Snapchat on the search tab and once again re-download the application. So here I just searched Snapchat and then pressed the re-download button, and then you can open it once again and then log in into your account. Once you've logged in Snapchat and you revisit the message that you saved the picture from, you will see no trace that you saved the picture, or the other person will not be notified that you saved the picture from your conversation. And that's all for this video. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.